Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Larry. If you're new to the channel, I'm camping again in the micro camper and meeting up with some friends up here near Flagstaff, Arizona. So should be a pretty fun time. Stick around. Hey guys. Hey, so you guys know Craig.
Hi guys.
And that's Travis.
Hey, yep. Nice to meet you.
You got Tater back, and then Cheeto.
Yeah, it's Cheeto. AKA Yaya.
She doesn't look too happy.
No, she's in jail.
No. Doing time.
Yep. Do the crime, do the time. Oh, that's funny.
Okay, get out. I don't even know where to start. I got rid of my air mattress and got a roll-up foam pad, but it's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. It takes up the whole camper, but hopefully it makes it more comfortable to sleep. Alright, I got a different power station this week. Doing some testing on this one. It's 100% full, so I don't think it's going to show that I'm bringing in any solar. Yeah, just says 100%, but this way it'll at least keep it topped off. Yeah, that sounds good right now. Camp setup, good enough. Somebody's trying to act all big and tough, and then as soon as Cheeto turns around, he freaks out and runs off. Oh, now you're gonna jump in.
Referee, foul.
Mason's like, man, I was just trying to break it up. Oh, there he goes. You didn't even get bit or nothing. Why are you whining? Oh boy. You got your bone, Marty? What? You want to be on camera? You're there. You're on camera right now. What? Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and put the covers over the windows. It's starting to get dark, and they're getting dinner started, so we're actually gonna be able to make a fire tonight because the fire ban's over, so I'm excited about that. I'm pretty impressed with these window covers. They work pretty good. Travis cooking tonight? What are we having?
Making Moab burgers. Hamburger, pulled pork, and secret sauce.
All right.
But this is store-bought sauce tonight. Normally it's homemade. We try to copy Sammy's and Prescott, but
Well, I'm sure it'll be good though.
it'll still be good.
Yeah, it'll smell good. What are you making over here?
Well, I'm heating up the pulled pork that's going to go on top of these Sammy Moab burgers.
All right.
We gotta
I've
come
never-
up with a new name.
You know-
They're not Moab burgers.
Oh, they're not? Okay, these are not Moab burgers. Moab burgers, hell yeah, I'm down with that.
All right. So that's the finished product right there, huh?
It's a big messy burger.
That looks good though. Oh yeah. I feel like I'm gonna need a shower after eating these.
Yeah.
Let's see his reaction.
No, that's good. That's really good. Peter's like, I know what you got on that plate. It's good. It's so close too. You can almost taste it.
And he's like, I'm being such a good boy. Look at me.
Look how good you are,
Look
Tater.
how handsome I am with my one tooth hanging out.
Yeah.
That's what we're talking about.
So I've decided to lay with my head down here in the part, like towards the front of the tracker. And last week I had my head down here, and it just was kind of a tight fit between the cooler and the wall. So I think this is gonna be a little bit better. And then this different power station here is kind of configured differently. My other one that I had in here before it had to sit kind of this direction, and it stuck out into where my bed area was at, and it just made it even harder. So this one, I get to have it lay in that direction, and it just kind of widens up that whole side right here. Yeah, I think I'm going to sleep a lot better tonight, especially since I got my sugar-free chocolate pudding. I actually like the vanilla better, but I was out of vanilla, so I had to roll with the chocolate, and then I have to eat it with a fork because I can't find my spoon. For not having a lot of stuff, I sure can't ever find anything. I really need to come up with a better way to like organize it. But for those of you that don't know, the reason why the inside still looks kind of the way it does is because this camper is relatively new, and I just want to camp in it a few times just to get an idea of what I need to do. And so far I've realized I don't have room for a kitchen. I was going to do a sink and like a little built-in stove, but I don't think that's going to work. I think I just need to focus on storage. But we'll see. I'll camp in a few more times. Anyways, yeah. I will see you guys in the morning. Good night. Good morning. A little breezy this morning, but it's not bad. I think it's mid-70s right now. I'll take it. Perfect weather. Got a little cold last night. At one point it got down to like 56. It wasn't unbearable, but it was a little nippy. All right, I got some bacon cooking here. I ended up getting some potatoes that were left over from their breakfast when they cooked theirs earlier. So I think I'm just going to make some sort of breakfast scramble this morning. Oh, and I want to thank Cherie O'Connor for sending this light. So, I mean, having camping gear is awesome, but to have good gear for filming is just what makes the whole experience possible for you guys to be able to see. So thank you so much for sending this. This thing is pretty sweet. Like you can see on the back, it just turns on. You can have the brightness adjusted to whatever percentage you want. You can adjust the kelvins, so you can have it more of like a soft white or a bright white light. Comes with its own little tripod here that extends, and then also you can take it off of this like that and then be able to hook it up to a different tripod or your camera or something like that. So thank you so much. This is going to definitely come in handy for nighttime shots. I appreciate it. Thank you. I think I'm going to throw the potatoes on here just to crisp them up and warm up again. What, buddy? Checking on your brother, buddy. Good boy, huh? Yeah. Not feeling good, huh? So I don't like dumping grease out on the ground while you're camping, just because it attracts animals for the next people. So I've kind of learned to just put a paper towel on the pan, let it all soak up, and then you can just throw the paper towel away. And then whenever you wash the pan, you're not dumping a whole bunch of grease all over the ground. Poor little Marty was drinking water out of his bowl, and there was a bee in there, and got himself stung like right on the lip. So he's not feeling super hot right now, but he still ate breakfast. Still seems to be fine. His face isn't swelling up or anything, but he seems like he's a little sore, maybe a little out of it. Just gonna keep an eye on him. Alright, got my dishes all done. I need to figure out a better way of like packing away my kitchen, but I'm getting used to it. Like it's getting a lot better camping in this. Each time I camp in it, I'm just getting more and more used to having less space and just having to keep everything organized at all times. I can't just let something sit out because then it just feels like the walls are caving in around me. So I'm in partial sun right now, but I'm still getting in 100 watts of solar. And then the actual power station itself is at 86%, but I just got done charging the battery for the refrigerator, and I've been running the fan and everything. So I feel like it did pretty good. And with the 100 watts coming in, it should be charged up here in a couple hours. All right, well, I got things all packed up. I'm ready to head out of here. it feels like this is gonna be a short video, so I apologize, but I've just kind of been tending to him. He hasn't been feeling very good since he got stung by that bee. He just kind of been out of it all day. I think he's okay. I don't think he needs to go to the vet or anything, but I've been stung in the mouth a couple times, and it does kind of like throbbing pain for a couple of days. So he's probably gonna be out of it for the rest of the day, maybe tomorrow, but hopefully he's all right. Anyways, yeah, just gonna head out of here, and then I guess I will see you guys next week. Thanks, bye. Poor little guy, you're not feeling good, bud. Bee sting hurting.